Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to timely get new video updates. In today's video, we're tackling a specific and important task: removing an encrypted disk from a virtual machine in VMware Workstation Pro. If you've been stymied by this process, especially with access control and TPM enabled, we've got you covered. We'll show you two methods: the straightforward graphical user interface approach and the more advanced manual method by editing the VM's configuration file. First, let's start with the official and recommended method, using the VMware Workstation Pro graphical interface, but keep in mind, this method is time-consuming one. For this demonstration, I will be using Windows 11 machine. Let's first start with adding new 20 GB disk to the machine. Now, let's power on the machine and mount the disk to the machine using Windows Disk Management tool. Our new disk is now successfully attached and mounted to our Windows 11 machine. Before you do anything, you must completely power off your virtual machine. Either shut down from the machine itself or go to the VM menu, then Power, and select Shut Down Guest. Do not just suspend it, as this will prevent you from making changes. As you can see, the disk remove button is grayed out. In the Virtual Machine Settings window, navigate to the Options tab and click Access Control. Before doing anything, please confirm the encryption password that you have been set while installing the window. You can also change password if needed. Once confirmed, go back to the Hardware tab. Select Trusted Platform Module from the device list and click the Remove button. This gets rid of the virtual TPM device, which was linked to the encryption. Navigate back to the Options tab and click Access Control again. You'll see the Remove Encryption button available this time. Click the Remove Encryption button. You'll be prompted for the encryption password. Enter it and click Remove Encryption. The decryption process will begin, so be patient while it completes. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to remove encryption. Once it's done, you can remove the disk itself. Go to the Hardware tab, select the hard disk you want to remove and click the Remove button. After confirming, click OK to save all your changes. Later, if you wish, you can enable encryption back under access control. For more advanced users, you can manually edit the virtual machine's configuration file, or .vmx file. This is useful if the GUI graphical method fails or is inaccessible. Let's quickly attach new 20 GB disk and mount it to our Windows 11 machine. Make sure your VM is completely shut down. Then, navigate to the VMs folder on your host machine. Locate the .vmx file, and create a backup copy of both the .vmx and .vmdk files. This is a critical step. For time saving, I will only make a backup of VMX configuration file. Next, open the original .vmx file. Right-click the .vmx file and open it with a text editor like Notepad. In the file, press Ctrl+F and find the lines related to your encrypted disk. Make sure to look for the same disk that you want to remove. Look for the similar to this example on the screen. Select both of the lines and remove them. Save the .vmx file and close the editor. When you start your VM again, the disk will be gone. As you can see, it's now cleared from the settings as well. You can now safely delete that disk, .vmdk related files and backup files that we created from the VM folder. And that's how you remove an encrypted disk, access control, and TPM from a VMware Workstation Pro virtual machine. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.